So recently I started to learn Japanese, and in order to learn Japanese properly you need to know Kana, which is hiragana, and katakana, which is the phonetic basis for Japanese. And typically this requires a lot of rote memorization, and that gets kind of painful for me. I stumbled upon an iPhone app called Dr. Moku's Hiragana, and there's also Dr. Moku's Katakana. And what this uses is a mnemonic device. So here is the Dr. Moku's Hiragana app. I think you can see it. And this application allows you to learn hiragana, and it gives you these little mnemonic devices. So for ah, it says ah, you found the letter A, so there's a little A in here. So it goes through all the basic hiragana on this one. There's also the dakuten and the other sounds that you can get, which aren't really covered in this app, but it gives you the basics. And for the iPhone app, it's kind of pricey. It's $4.99, but the Android, I think they have it for 99 cents. But I was able to learn hiragana in about an hour, at least for recognition. And so the Dr. Moku's also has a quiz, so it allows you to go from 10 characters or 20 characters all the way up to all the 46, so you're able to test your knowledge. And then also the next step for making sure that you're able to know Kana is to also be able to write it. So Dr. Moku's has a stroke order for each hiragana character. So this way you want to make sure that you can recognize everything, and that you can probably get really fast, maybe an hour if you really concentrate on it, a little bit longer if it takes you, if you're not able to spend that much time on it. But then you need to make sure that you're able to write hiragana and katakana. So that takes a little bit more effort. You want to write down each character. Usually start with a set of 5, and then progress every day, or just sit there and write them all and test yourself, make different little worksheets up for you. In order to communicate, you want to make sure that you can understand, but also write. And I think that's all I'm going to share with you on Dr. Moku's hiragana. And then also he has there's also a katakana program. So I'll have a link to that. I'll have a link to that down below. And so give it a try. And I think it's also available on the iPad and Kindle also. So Android. I'm not sure about iPhone or Windows. I'm not sure about Windows. So you can check the Windows Play Store or whatever they call it. I don't know. And so I'm just getting started, and I'll start sharing some of my other study programs that I'm using in books, and we'll see. Hopefully I can start speaking a little more. If you're interested in following this, subscribe. It's down below.